Hello everyone, welcome to Lean FX. Today we are plunging into a world of ancient mystery and forbidden love. Starting the epic tale, The King's Chains and the Knight's Unbreakable Love. We'll explore the majestic land of Eldria, meet the cruel king, the captive princess, and the brave knight who risks everything for true love. Let's go to start the adventure. For centuries, the land of Eldria, surrounded by mist-shrouded mountains, remained hidden from outsiders, mentioned only in ancient scrolls. Towering peaks, crystal-clear lakes fed by blue streams, and eternally lush forests proclaim the unparalleled beauty of Eldria. In the distance, the Shildar Citadel stood tall, touching the sky, serving as the heart of Eldria. Its stone towers, emanating an air of mystery, bore witness to millennia of history. Near the castle, a massive age tree was situated in the valley. It was thousands of years old, the oldest living testament to the land. Sunlight filtered through its branches, falling upon the ground where it was covered in vibrant flowers. Inside Shildar Citadel lived a beautiful princess. Though she was like a golden ray of sunshine, her heart carried endless sorrow. She lived a solitary life within the castle's ornate walls. Her father, the king, was a wicked and dark individual. Many secrets were hidden around this king. The castle's strength and darkness were built upon the foundation of the king's evil rule. One day, during a trip with the king to a castle in another kingdom, she met a brave knight. His name was Cyrus. They instantly fell in love. Cyrus's kindness and courage gave her new hope. The princess, dreaming of a happy life with Cyrus, yearned to escape this dark castle. She planned to flee with Cyrus. love affair and escape plan, the wicked king erupted in rage. His fury was like a volcanic explosion. He imprisoned the princess in the castle's highest tower, sealing off all paths to the outside world. Meanwhile, Cyrus, the knight who was ready to overcome any challenge for love, decided to rescue his princess. He wanted to take her to his humble home and cherish her with love and protection. From his own castle, he traveled a great distance to reach the beautiful valley near Eldria Castle. Upon arriving at the beautiful valley near Eldria Castle, he realized why the castle was impenetrable. The sight stopped his breath. In the sky, two colossal dragons. They were the king's fearsome guards, circling the castle, their thunderous roars protecting it. Their shadows fell across the valley, signaling mortal danger. The knight stood, gaze fixed on the mountain peaks, feeling a wave of disappointment. However, Cyrus's heart was strong. His love for the princess gave him immeasurable courage. He made his decision. No matter the immense challenge, he would rescue his princess from the wicked king. So, will this strong, fearless knight be able to rescue the beautiful, innocent princess, overcome the challenge of the dragons, and finally secure the triumph of love? What do you think of this twist? Comment your thoughts below about the story so far. And now, we await the unfolding drama in part 2. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like. And if you enjoy my overall content and don't want to miss a single video, please subscribe to the channel. Your support is a big help for the growth of this channel. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video.